In this video, we'll walk you through the latest updates to the AWS Free Tier, including the brand new free account plan and what's now considered the legacy free tier. So, what is the AWS Free Tier? If you're new to cloud computing, or just curious about AWS, the free tier is a great way to get started. It lets you explore and test a wide range of AWS services at no cost, as long as you stay within the specified usage limits. AWS Free Tier lets you explore AWS services at no cost. It's a great starting point, ideal for students, developers, and beginners looking to get hands-on experience. With Free Tier, you can build and test applications in the cloud without worrying about upfront charges. Why AWS Free Tier? Try AWS services without upfront payments. With the AWS Free Tier, you can learn, experiment, or even build small applications, completely free. Just be sure to stay within the usage limits to avoid any unexpected charges. Starting July 15, 2025, new AWS accounts can choose a free account plan, a flexible, credit-based plan designed to help you explore AWS services. The opportunity to earn an extra $100 in credits by completing tasks, like launching your first EC2 instance, setting a budget, or exploring AWS tools. This plan is valid for up to 6 months, or until your $200 in total credits are used, whichever comes first. And the best part? No charges at all during this period, as long as you stay within the credit limits. This is a summary table provides a concise comparison of AWS free tier options, ideal for quickly understanding what's available based on your account type. Here are a few popular AWS services included in the free tier. With the AWS Free Tier, you get up to 750 hours per month of Amazon EC2 usage, enough to run one T2 micro instance continuously for a month, whether it's Linux or Windows. Amazon S3 offers 5 GB of standard storage each month under the free tier, ideal for storing files, backups, or static website content at no cost. Amazon RDS offers 750 hours per month of db.t2.micro instance usage, along with 20 GB of storage, all included in the AWS Free Tier. Perfect for running small databases on MySQL, PostgreSQL, or other supported engines. With AWS Lambda under the free tier, you get 1 million requests and 400,000 GB of compute time every month, allowing you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. Amazon CloudFront includes 1 TB of data transfer out each month in the free tier, ideal for delivering content globally with low latency and high speed. How can you tell if an AWS service you're using is covered under the free tier? If you're using the AWS Management Console, AWS typically displays a label that says Free Tier Eligible next to supported services or options. For example, when launching an EC2 instance, the T2 micro instance type is marked with a Free Tier Eligible label. As long as you choose this option and stay within the usage limits, your instance will be covered under the free tier. You can also check free tier eligibility using the AWS CLI or AWS APIs, but the console provides the easiest and most visible way to confirm. Always look for this label to avoid unexpected charges. Let's look at another simple way to find out which AWS services are available under the free tier. Use the filter button on the left to narrow down your options by service category, like compute, storage, database, or AI and machine learning. Important notes. Free tier has usage limits. Charges apply if exceeded. 12-month tier starts on sign-up date for legacy accounts. Check regional availability and billing dashboard. In summary, the AWS Free Tier lets you try AWS services at no cost. You can learn, build, and test in the cloud without a big bill. Just remember, each service has usage limits.